Before you spend thousands of dollars replacing an air conditioner, heating system, or even an old refrigerator, there's a federal program I want you to check out first. It's called the Weatherization Assistance Program, or WAP, and it can do a whole lot more than just put weather stripping around your windows. The Weatherization Assistance Program is administered by the U.S. Department of Energy, and its purpose is to help eligible low income households make their homes more energy efficient. And guys, here's what surprised me. Depending on what your home actually needs, weatherization services can include repairing or replacing heating and cooling systems, and even replacing inefficient refrigerators and freezers with energy efficient models. Yes, I said refrigerators and freezers. Now, before someone runs into the kitchen and starts kicking the refrigerator, don't do that. You cannot call the program and say, "Hello, I like my free refrigerator." That's not how it works. What your home receives is determined through an assessment. So, being eligible does not guarantee you a new refrigerator or appliance. So, who should look into this? Income is one of the main eligibility factors. Under Department of Energy guidelines, household at or below 200% of the federal poverty guidelines can be considered income eligible, and households receiving SSI are also considered eligible under DOE guidelines. States can have additional eligibility rules. And here's something especially important for you, my audience. Priority is given to households that include older adults, people with disabilities, families with children, and households with high energy use or a high energy burden. And renters, don't scroll away. You may be eligible too. Both homeowners and renters can apply. If you're renting, the weatherization provider will have to work with your landlord and get permission before the work begins. But renting does not automatically disqualify you. If you're income eligible, you may be placed on a waiting list. If your home is selected, an energy professional will assess your home and look at things like your energy bill, heating and cooling equipment, air leaks, insulation, and potential health and safety issues. Then they determine which improvements qualify for your particular home. Your neighbor might need an HVAC repair. Your house might need insulation and ductwork. Another household may qualify for an inefficient refrigerator to be replaced. So here's what I want you to do. Go to the official Department of Energy Weatherization Assistance Program website and find the weatherization program for your state. From there, you can locate the organization that serves your area and ask how to apply. Now, listen, guys, I cannot promise you that this program is going to buy you a new refrigerator or replace your air conditioner. But I can tell you that this program is real, and those are among the improvements that the Department of Energy says weatherization can include. So before you spend thousands of dollars replacing something in your home, check first. The answer may be no, but you won't know unless you ask. And in my next video, I'm going to tell you about another program you should check if you're struggling with cooling costs or a broken air conditioner. It's called LIHEAP. Follow me so you don't miss that one. Take care, guys.